So here's the Halloween you already know. We have the bathroom here.
Lights. I can't see. Okay.
We have the bathroom here.
Okay.
And now we have this room.
Okay.
Now we have this bathroom. Sorry for the. And here we have the lot. Here we have this bathroom.
I see. Whoa. Okay.
Okay, and here we have this. And we can gift rope here, you see. But we always stay at the back.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, Lauren.